Hello everyone. Today I will present about light beam experiment. My group consists of 5 people. First, Supasit Vitulapon, number 4. Second, Chachon Hilakase Chai, number 21. Third, Pichaya Phongstorn, number 38. Fourth, Thanavit Chanchavichai, number 54. And the last, Vishwavasit Lilakanok, number 58.
Hi, my name is Supasit Vitulapon. I am number 4, and for my science project today, I would like to talk about light. As we know, light is usually refers to visible light, which is electromagnetic radiation that is visible to human eyes and is responsible for sense of sight. And I'm wondering if are all light the same, if it has color or is it just all white like this one.
Hi, I'm M.Phongstorn and I'm number 38. I'm going to talk about the light hypothesis. Our group has two theories about light. The first one is our team wants to test the theories that light always travels in straight lines, even it is reflected by the mirror in our model. The second one is when we can prove it that the light travels in straight line, we continue using the cellophane mirror to prove that the light can scatter it.
Hi, I am Chachon Hilakase, number 21. Before this science project is happened, I get an inspiration from the equipment in the submarine ship. For the first time that I have ever seen this equipment, I thought that its system is very complicated. But now I understand that process of it is not complex anymore, and this equipment is called periscope.
Hi, I'm Vishwavasit Lilakanok, number 58. From our hypothesis, we end up in a model called a periscope. This is the model that we have done. The detail of it consists of two mirrors that stand in a position that put in a 45 angle positions. This body consists of two openings, the down opening and the up openings, and I'm going to show you the cross section of it. This is a picture of the cross section. See? The two mirrors stand in a 45 angle positions. When the light comes, it will reflect to the first mirrors and reflect up to the second mirrors and go up to the second holes. If this works, we could conclude that the light could reflect and travels in a straight line. Our experimental consists of 4 experiments. The first is the laser reflections. The second is the fog experiment that will show that light travel in straight line. The third is the laser beam that travels in a straight line without any obstacles. And the last one is the laser beam with a translucent obstacles. Okay. The first experiment is called the laser reflex. The equipment needs is the periscope, the laser beams, and the board. If this works, it will show that the light could reflect. How does it work? The light will comes to the bottom openings, goes to the first mirrors and reflects up to the second mirrors and out to the upper hole. Now, I'm going to show you how does it works. Come here please. Hold the ball. Okay, any light off. Light out please. Okay. This is the laser, you see it? Okay. And this is the upper opening and this is the bottom opening. I'm going to shine the lasers to the bottom openings. Okay? It shows that light travels from the bottoms to the upper openings and it reflects. Okay, the second experiment is called the fog experiment. The equipment used is the laser beam seals and the steam pot. This experiment happens in the dark, so I need the light to black out. Thank you. I'm going to open the steams and it will evaporate up. Okay, this third experiment is called the straight line experiment. This experiment will show how this periscopic does really works. People usually observe the image above the submarines by peeking down in the bottom holes, and the image from the upper holes will appear. I will show you easily by these two objects. The first is closely look at these symbols. It will appear up in the. You will see the image up here. Okay. The second is the gold stars. I will put it down here. You will see the stars appears in the upper openings. Even though I spin it, you'll see it spins accurately. It happens in the real times. Okay, this is the last experiment. This experiment uses the translucent. Easily call it a translucent experiment or a or a light scatter experiment. I need a board, please. Come here. Okay, I have a board. Normally, if the laser beam shows, you'll see that a light. You see that the beams comes in a dot. But if there's a blockage or an obstacle, I use a translucent so that the light will easily pass. But we wonder that if the light would scatter or not. I need a light off, please. Okay. This is the normal laser beam without a translucent. I'll put a translucent to it. See? You'll see that the light really scattered it from the upper holes. This shows that the light will scatter with a translucent object.
Light beam travel is the light for the mist experiment in periscope. Experiment show that light can reflect. Light scatter in translucent object. This means that the light will scatter if the object is translucent. We can conclude that light only passes in state like a transparent object.
Usually มี
เพิ่งดิมึงต้องเกินกันดิวะมันไม่มีเกินนำหรอวะอันนี้ขึ้นเข้าบนเลยเหรอมันไม่มีเกินไม่มีอะไรเหรอ
เปล่าไปอาร์ไง
อ๋อ
I am number 4
ทำไมสไลด์ที่ท้า
and is responsible for the sense of light
เอาใหม่
and is responsible for the sense of light
เอาใหม่ได้ปะเอาใหม่ได้ปะเอาใหม่ได้ปะ
เอาไอ้สัส
ดีโปรดักชั่นมวยมันอยู่ตรงนี้ก่อนแล้วไอ้โกด
เอา
ไทยเลยเข้ามาอีกรอบหนึ่ง
คือเกี่ยวกับข้างหลังกูใช่ไหมไม่เกี่ยวกับกู
ใช่
เย่
ปรากฏไม่ได้ถ่าย
อ่า